Hello again, it's Adam here from Alto Hearing, welcoming you back to 30 Days to Better Hearing. As we continue on this journey together, I want to address something you might be experiencing: listening fatigue. It's a common part of adjusting to new hearing aids, but it's also a temporary one. When you first start using hearing aids, your brain is, quite frankly, putting in extra work. It's like a muscle being exercised in new ways, especially as it's getting used to processing a variety of sounds it hasn't encountered clearly in a while. This can lead to a sense of tiredness or fatigue, which is completely normal and, to be honest, a little bit expected. I want to reassure you that this is common among new hearing aid users. Your brain is adjusting to not only hearing more sounds, but learning to filter and prioritize them. It's a big task, and it's understandable that it might feel tiring at first. However, it's just temporary. As your brain becomes more accustomed to processing these sounds, listening will become less of a conscious effort and more of a natural, effortless activity. Interestingly, whilst it might seem counterintuitive now, hearing aids will eventually help reduce fatigue in the long run. Listening fatigue is often a result of the extra effort required to hear and understand sounds when dealing with hearing loss. By providing clearer sounds, hearing aids alleviate this strain, making it easier for your brain to process auditory information without working overtime. To manage fatigue during this adjustment period, here are just a few strategies. Number one, take breaks. Allow yourself short breaks during the day to rest your ears and your brain. It's okay to remove your hearing aids for short periods if you're feeling overwhelmed. Number two, relaxation techniques. Engage in some relaxation techniques or activities you enjoy to help reduce overall stress and fatigue. And number three is sleep well. Ensure that you're getting enough rest at night. Oh, and finally, number four, stay hydrated. Believe it or not, staying hydrated can help with fatigue. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and your needs during this time. The process of adapting to hearing aids is unique to each individual, and what works for one person might not work for another. Be patient with yourself and know that each day brings you one step closer to a more comfortable and effortless listening experience. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9.